Okay. And this should now pop up here. Oh, now we've got that audio. Let's just fix that. I don't know. Apparently... Oh, wow, that is obnoxious. Well, let's just... do that. So... Oh my god, that is... let's not have that in here, and let's just make some coffee while I... well, go to the pause screen while I make coffee. Okay. Oh, I can hear the audio. That is annoying. Coffee is equipped, or has been obtained rather. I want to... Oh. Warning, the stream. What about the stream? Lower than the recommended bitrate. I don't care. Go away. Alright. I need that open so I can... Hi, Tiffy. You're gonna be bored to death. So, let's just figure out the buttons. Sadly, I have to do this in there. Alright. Coffee. Don't need my headphones. I do not hear anything. That was just for testing with the thingamajigs. How does the stream look, actually? It's fine. Okay, good. I don't need it in HD on my PC. So, what are we doing today? We've got a software project called Online Media Shelf. Looks something like... Oh, I should probably hide that. It looks something like this. This is the main site, and it's very much in progress, and I don't even know the logins for it. So, what am I going to do today? Well, I have a branch open to improve this because this is just crap. This is just a placeholder. I want something prettier. So we have to set up our thing now. That's the wrong one. That's the right one. So what do we have to do? Well, we have to go into documents first, because I like to have my things in documents, and say git, oh, interesting, git clone, and we have to yoink the, why can't I clone with SSH? Ah, I'm not logged in. One moment, please. Let's just oh, I could actually just cut to that instead of leaving you blind. You can see me. Isn't that wonderful? And I have to authenticate with GitHub Mobile, because of course I do. I hope I have GitHub Mobile installed. I do. Yes, that is me. Okay. So let's fade over, enable picture-in-picture, because Atom is stupid. Blackmagic made buggy software. So I want to clone the repository. Pretty please. So cloning into online media shelf, ls. Right. Git switch. It's improve item page. Git pull, just for good measure. And then we have to read our readme, because somewhere in here it says docker run. And we need that command. I'm sorry, I'm getting distracted. Anyways, where was I? Right. Docker cannot connect. Is the Docker daemon running? No, it probably isn't. Systemctl sudo systemctl start docker. Okay, let's try it again. Permission denied. Okay. User mod dash A, I knew that. Uppercase G. Docker. Lena. Sudo user mod. And then I should be able to maybe restart the Docker container. Oh, I need to log out and log in. Let's watch me while I go log out of my system. Thankfully, I have two computers, which is always handy. And someone texted me. Thankfully, I have two computers, one I can stream on and one I can program on, because that makes everything easier. There we go. Perfect. Let's go back. I love Blackmagic. They make perfect software with no issues. So, okay, there we go. Right. So I need a second command line. I'll just make split left right. I'll go open Discord because otherwise I'm gonna be confused. I will go open a browser because I need a browser. I'll put that on the other screen. That is fine. Hi Nova. I have too many screens. I have like a main screen, this one, like the one you're seeing like there, and I have one on the side with stuff, and is my Docker done? I have yay. And I have one for the streaming PC, which is okay, cool. A thing. I think I have to create I think I have to create the database first, but I'm not sure. Let's just open our IDE, Rider, and oh, that is PDF. Another project of mine. I obviously don't want that. That was just automated for me. Open. Open. Oh, there's a software thing. I'll move this online media shelf to software. Documents, online media shelf. Boop. Move here, software, online media shelf. Let's open a command line in here. That is fine. And let's open that now. Software, online media shelf, dot solution, trust and open. Yeah, yes. I trust my own software. Thank you. Online media shelf. We're on 012-alpha. Okay, I didn't know I did that. Cool. What am I going to do today? Well, first of all, I'm gonna build it. Because compiling is always fun and always helpful. Well, we need to install bun. Sudo pacman sy bun. Please tell me it's on. Okay. Yai sy bun bin. What? I want to move it to another screen, pretty please. Thank you. My copy is already gone. Bun bin build file exists. Okay. So. Yes. Yes. Thank you. Let's try this again. So the reason this didn't work is that I need bun to compile my things. Oh, that is amazing. It just worked. Okay, let's try running it. No frameworks were found. Sudo pacman sy.net runtime.net SDK.net ASP.NET, I think it's called ASP.NET runtime and ASP.NET targeting pack. Yes. The funs of setting up a new build environment. The excitement is immeasurable. Okay, let's try it again. Hey, look at that. I'm gonna accept the risk and continue. Oh, you don't see that. So we've got a Swagger UI, but like, I've made such a giant API already. Okay, to be fair, that this is just default stuff. This is just account stuff. But this is my API, and I've got like an excessive amount of stuff. But that's fine. I don't need that. I want to go to online media shelf, where could not load most recent item. I suspect you're crapping yourself because the database doesn't exist. An error occurred using the connection to database OMSDB. Yeah, because what? Okay. Because obviously my database isn't set up. So connect to database, localhost, user root, SQL, blah blah blah. Wherever the fuck it got that from. This is MySQL. Use connection string, connect. Unable to connect to OMSDB. Okay, right, we need that. Add data source manually. Please, just let me... Okay, localhost 3306, root, the password, that is visible right here. Yeah, SQL underscore PW. This is a local database. I don't really care. Connect to database. Cool. And we're gonna create a new Can I not make a new database? Yeah, okay. Okay. New query console. Create database OMS underscore DB. I think it's called OMS underscore DB. Where am I? There am I. There I am. Explorer. Domain. Context factory. Only for local compiling. Yes, OMS underscore DB. Perfect. So, and we need to run that. We have a database. We'll compile it, we'll complete it, right, we'll run it. Okay, I am an idiot. I didn't apply the migration. Entity framework core, update database, target migration. Migrations project, domain. Startup project, domain. DB context class, application DB context. There we go. Move item data to separate table. That is the thing we need. And it works. Cool. And we're gonna start that. Oh my, the excitement. Oh my. Oh no, I didn't want that. What? Okay. Please just let me have my online media shelf. And I want all items. Well, I want to reload it and just see whether it screams at me. It doesn't scream at me. That's great. So I'm going to show you after I register a test at test.at, a test account with the password test, because this is a local and unexpected server error has occurred. Oh, right. I don't know. Okay. I should probably remember that. Okay. That'll be fine. So what is OMS? Let's start there. What is the I'm programming? So the idea is you've got items. Let's create an item. Like, let me get a book. Be right back. Amazing book by Fletcher de Lancey. The Caffeine. I love sci-fi, and this is just an amazing book. Right. Loading. No. Okay, it's fine. Where was I? Right. Book. You've got a book, and you want to enter it into the database. So you say the Caffeine description. Split second decision to save a civilization. Another decision to give it away. I'm not going to write out the whole description. I just want something in the description. Right. That's all you need to. Well, no. You also need to enter the format. The author is Fletcher de Lancey. And the release. When's the copyright? Oh my god. Where's the copyright? Fletcher de Lancey. That's publishing. That's the content. Acknowledgements. Gray mode. Okay. Maybe it's in the back. Oh, great. But I have no idea when this was written. There we go. 2018, really? Wow. So it's March 2018, so the year is 2018. March is for free. I knew that. I didn't have to count. And the release day, I don't know, 1. This should be optional. I want to make it optional. I just haven't had time yet. And one really cool thing, I'll open the barcode reader and hope it will work. In theory, I should be able to hold the barcode up. Oh, you're way overexposed. Oh, come on. It never works with computer webcams. And it's so frustrating, you know? So in theory, there is a barcode reader that works on the phone, but on the computer, for some reason, it doesn't. So it's 9781912684007. What? Again, 9781912684007. And in theory, yeah, there we go. So that is the idea. You can add items, and when you added an item, you can go open the menu and add it to a shelf. So we'll just create a shelf, call it my favorite books. The books I love the most and hate the least. FU. Oh my god, I forgot her name. Kathleen Glasgow. I hate Kathleen Glasgow. She writes perfectly amazing books. What was that? Okay. I found a bug. 400. Bad request. Request? Response. One or more validation errors occurred. The user ID field is required. Well, you can't make shelves currently. But that's not what I wanted to do, actually. So normally you'd add a shelf and you can add an item to a book, an item to a shelf. You have a button down here as well, but that doesn't work yet. And we can edit the item. This dialog is broken. As soon as you edit anything, it deletes like half the entries, and like it's stupid. But oh well. What I'm gonna build today is adding a cover. So let's just close that. I don't need that anymore. I don't need that anymore. I don't need that anymore. And I'll show you around the code a little bit. So we've got a client app. The client app is a TypeScript app, and it has a component and it has an item view. The item view has an update dialog already. So we need a dialog to edit. Why is this an update dialog? Oh, it's a create item dialog with update true. Okay, I thought I edited that. I thought I changed that. What do we have to do actually? Well, we have to make a new dialog called the upload image dialog. Oh, I should store this separately. I don't want to learn that. People can upload like giant images. Yeah, that's me when I'm programming. I just go off the rails a little bit. Upload image dialog. Right. On open. I'll just like copy this. And I need an item ID to be equal to the item.id. Oops, what the fuck? Item.id. So we've got item ID. We now need a upload image dialog. What the fuck was that? Oh. Right. I need a new TypeScript. TypeScript file. I need JSX file and upload image dialog .tsx. Go away. So, oh my god, I haven't written TypeScript in long. I haven't written a real TypeScript class in forever. Nerd. Yes, I know. How do you... I think it was like interface upload image dialog props. Okay. Someone, whatever software I have in there is telling me to do that. And I need open boolean on open change. Now I'll copy that from the create item dialog. On open change, open and item ID is a number. undefined. Okay. And we need export class. Do we use class or do we use function? We are using function components. Function upload image dialog props. Do we split them up? No. Okay. Yeah, that is something we can. Is it error state? We don't need an error state. I'm just gonna return something. Just to have something. So I'll make a thing here. And we'll have, oh my god, this is a long function component. Dialog. Dialog open equals, come on, you knew it. Props it open, thank you. On open change, I love that. I love that I have AI that tells me what to write. Like, that is so fun. We've got a form. Okay, we're wrapping everything in a form. On submit, and we're gonna make an const on submit equals okay. Oops. Okay. Form on submit. We've got a form. We've got a dialog body. Thank you. In the dialog body is a dialog title. Upload new cover image. Some computer just went absolutely bonkers. So we need to import that. And we have to say open. So there's probably a button somewhere, like this one, and we'll say on click equals what do I want to do? I wanted to check. There's edit button, set update dialog open. True. Okay. Set upload on click. It's supposed to be capitalized. Set upload image dialog open. And we need a new state. Set upload image dialog open and just upload image dialog open, and we'll add our open to here. Set upload image dialog open data.open. Oh, this is going well. So this is perfect. There's absolutely nothing that could possibly go wrong. Oh, what? Are you drunk? What are you doing? What? You're a dialogue, right? You're a dialogue, right? Oh, you're not wrapped in. Okay. Everything's alright. I just don't need to wrap it, and then it should work. Can you auto format pretty please? Yeah. Okay. No, that literally changed nothing. Okay. Navigate, I don't really care about. I think that's all fine. I didn't do dialog surface. Okay. This is fine. I'm just very unintelligent. Slash dialog surface, save, format. Yes, yes, please import it. Okay, there we go. Upload new image dialog. That's beautiful. That's magnificent. That's just wonderful. Dialog title. Can you please not crash on me right now? So what do we need in our dialog? Well, we need a dialog content apparently. Dialog content. Oops. With a style something. That sounds like a fun time for the whole family. So we'll do that. Then I'll need, okay, that's fairly self-explanatory. Field with an input type, input type file. Do you not have? Oh. Okay, we are doing an input type equals file. Let's just see what this looks like. Browse, no file selected. I think that's honestly fine for now. Is this fine? I think I don't need any more than this. I want to make it pretty, but this is fine. Okay. It is totally adequate. Field. How did we do the submit button? We made a dialog actions. Boop. I don't need that. I need to go in here and save, and we've got a dialog trigger, cancel, action close, disable button enhancement, okay. And type submit, appearance primary, submit. Zoo is not defined. What the fuck? Okay. So we've got a submit button, which currently apparently does this. And we've got a cancel button. That's when I press submit here. Okay. What? Okay, nothing. At least something. Man, it's so dark outside. I'm unsure how I actually have to do this. What is my API doing? Well, let's just like yes, I know. Okay, I need to copy that. Copy. Okay, that just shut it down. At least it starts quickly. That's a good thing, right? The Caffeinen, upload new file. So we've got our API items, update ID, cover image. Request body is a string. That is not particularly helpful. Could we have a can I have more information, please? Like if I just dump like it has to be encoded somehow. I can't imagine I didn't use like base 64 encoding, which would suck. It's literally just a byte array. Why are you calling it a string? Okay, that makes everything easier. Does it make everything easier? Yeah, it's just send the file content to. Okay, so we probably have a way to on open change. No, handle submit. Event React form event. Okay, and I suspect I somehow get the data in here. Event prevent default. Obviously, we'll need that. I don't want to validate anything. Item input validator state of bug. Oh my god, no. Oh my god, no. I'm writing this to state. Oh dear lord. Please save me. How do I do this? I'm gonna make a ref. Not val. Let. Yes. Let. Input field. Colon. HTML file. No. Input. Element equals use ref. Okay, and then we'll say where is it? Input ref equals input field. Legacy ref undefined ref. Okay. I was just being an idiot. Okay, there we go. So use ref, and then we'll say make this a const, because this can be a const. And we'll say input field dot current. What? No. Dot HTML form element. I don't like. Is there like a? I'm annoyed by. What the hell is that supposed to be? A monkey? Okay. I'm annoyed by this. React Fluent UI file upload. File upload control. I don't see a control. Something similar was requested both times was determined to be out of scope for Fabric. I'll ask some other team members, discuss with the team, leave this request open, though I can't provide. Yikes, because it has not been active. Thank you. Very helpful. Am I even using Fluent UI? I think I'm using Fluent UI. Yeah. Add Fluent UI React. Is this the old one? Am I using the old Fluent UI? React controls. Fluent UI version 9. I think that was just like a. I'm using the new one. Yeah, cool. It's not as complete. That's the issue. Input. Type. Number, time, text, search, tell, URL, email, date, time, local, month, password, week. Okay. So that is sucks to be you essentially. Label, as validation methods, grad size. Okay. That's also sucks to be you. I need a short break. Be right back. Helps when you turn on your microphone, you know. Anyways, where was I? I wanted to go to npm and search for file upload. Just like okay. Form data express files includes using upload middleware that wraps around busboy. Okay, that seems extraordinarily complicated. HTML input file. Input type file. ID my file. Blah blah blah. We know how this works. At the multiple accessibility. That's it? You really? File select field and a browse button for file uploads. What? Oh, that's type. File. I just saw it. There. Okay, that is disappointing. I didn't know there's a month. Don't get distracted now. Range, reset, search, tell, text. Okay. Yeah. You couldn't hear anything because I was stupid. The problem is, I suspect if I upload, if I just not prevent default, and I go down here and say on submit also action equals string post. Oh my god, that is horrifying. Ref name style change about accept concept. I don't remember all the fun things. I never use forms like in the normal post way, but I might want to do that now. HTML form. Let's just check it out. Like, why not? Let's just yeah, form, input, text field, label, radio buttons, checkboxes, submit button. Action, thank you. Action. I'm stupid. This is supposed to be the action slash black hole. Okay, but what is it? Is it how do I post? I would really like to have like a list of attributes, target attributes, target underscore blank. No. Method equals post. Cool, thank you. And we'll go into the other one. That's okay. So I'll go here. I'll say open this, and oh my god, that is not what I intended to do. I'll submit 404 black hole, and our request was just empty. Okay. The Cathanan. Let's select a file like the Excel IP PNG. Oh god. Excel IP PNG. Submit. And when I look at the request, it literally sent nothing. Ooh. That's useful to know. Type file. ID equals cover image. Name equals cover image. So I don't need those brackets. I'm really annoyed by this not auto-formatting. Grrr. Okay, let's just check that I have actions on save, reformat and clean up, optimize imports. God, I hate JetBrains products. Whole file. Save. Oh, I might need to change something for that to kick in. Oh my god, that changed a lot of things. Cool. Now we have auto formatting. And I have that. And I wanted to go to here. Back. Browse. Sure, let's upload a desktop file. Cover image. GPT for all. Wait, what? That's it? You're supposed to send the whole thing. HTML form upload file. Okay. I'm gonna remove the method maybe. Maybe that breaks things. Let's go back. Upload like xlip.png. For real now. Thought that would be fun. Thought that would be a fun idea. Let me guess. You didn't send it. What? How the hell am I supposed to upload a file? Okay. This is so frustrating. Yes, Mozilla. See, using a form submission or manipulate using JavaScript and the file API. That, look, this is what I wanted. Type file ID avatar. Accept image PNG image JPEG. Thank you. I didn't even search for it, but that's what I needed as well. Partly. So, cool. Values. All file input values attributes contain a string that represents the path to the selected file. If no file is selected yet, the value is an empty string. When the user selected multiple files, the value represents the first file in the list of files they selected. Why? The other files cannot be identified with the files property. Sure. Except, okay, capture is a string that specifies which cameras to use for capturing of image or video data. Okay, multiple, okay, WebKit directory, I don't care, unique file type, that is just like file type identifiers. Using file inputs. We've got a submit button. Button and submit button will do nothing. Okay, including the multiple attribute as shown above, you can do that. Sure, getting information on selected files. So I have to do this in JavaScript. Am I getting that right? I didn't want to do it in JavaScript, but I guess I'll do it in JavaScript. I have the ref. HTML. File. No. HTML input element. But it probably doesn't have a files. It has a files. Okay, path at 0. Dot. Now I've got a file in hand. Array buffer. Oh my god, that looks like we've got a winner. Let's just get the stream. Current dot files. Are you're nullable? Okay. So var file data equals wait But files could be nullable, current could be nullable, and you are files. Current files is possibly none. Okay, at 0 files at 0. I hate TypeScript so much. Gah. Okay, fine. Files dot item 0 question mark dot stream is a readable stream. Okay. Array buffer is a promise of an array buffer. Okay. Text is a promise of a string. Okay. A function. These are functions. Okay, that's fine. I can live with that. Instead of that, I want to actually do this. Because this is an array. I can do the array accessor. Now I've got a more reasonable thing. Now, we've got our file data. We obviously don't want a var here. Let file data equal. Then we say file data. So we've got a stream. We want to, well, first of all, we want to, we already did that. We want to get our client. Const client equals new item client. You are probably fine. If I look at this, run create new item client, great item client creator. Okay. Const no. Let result equals client dot update item cover image item props dot item ID file content as a string. Okay. Dot text await file data. Okay, so we need to flip using function u upload image. I'm gonna extract this into a upload component because this is really not fun. Return. I don't think I need anything from the result. So const client, I think we can do this, and then I'll say navigate. We don't have the navigate. Const navigate. Navigate equals use navigate. And then we'll say navigate to oh, interesting. To roots item result ID. I'm fine with this. So fine. Props dot item ID. Okay. Why are you complaining? If yeah, let's do it here. If props item ID. If it's not props item ID, then return. Upload image. They'll do it similarly. Run create. Yeah, I have like a run create, and we'll just okay. We run them asynchronously in the background. That's fine. Okay. Upload new cover file. XLIP. So cover image. No request payload. There we go. That's a request payload. One or more violations occurred. JSON value cannot be converted to system.byte. This is not a JSON value, you idiot. The JSON line number 0 byte position line. What the fuck? What's wrong with you? Okay. Item controller from body, byte array, file content. I don't like that. From what? Does this think it's supposed to be a JSON then? From, is there maybe like a from form query root services header from body? I want to have a I forgot what I wanted. ASP.NET Core API get body as byte stream. My post model, okay. Want to use this as a middleware. What? Oh, I think that's byte array. Byte array, not byte stream. I'm an idiot. Accepting byte array in a raw data. Okay, binary input formatter. What? Why would I? What? That seems needlessly complicated. API controllers. Oh, this Rick Strahl, one of the greatest ASP.NET web app. Unfortunately, the process to get raw request data is rather interactive. No direct way to receive controller action parameters, MVC API. The way connect algorithm works in regards to connecting it's the same. Created simple test controller. Sure. JSON string input is easy enough. Okay. No JSON, no worky. Yup. This is a results in a full not found. Okay, sure enough. I don't really. Read a string buffer for raw data. I don't know if I like that. What? Oh, it's just Google sending me security alerts because I logged in. We've got base 64 encoded string chaser result. Oh my god, I can make a memory stream. And just like yoink it. I love that. Okay. Request.body. We'll say instead of accepting file content, we'll say, hey, oh my god, we have to. Okay. The issue is I wanted it to be my Swagger. Okay. If you do this a lot, a couple of years, it should do get raw body stream, get raw body, I think. Yeah, sure. deterministic approach and accept raw data parameters. A little more work is required building a custom input formatter. That was what we saw before. Create an MVC input formatter. Need to use from body to get it fired. Okay. So in this case, raw content, want to look for text plain, application object stream, no content type. To create a formatter, you either implement input formatter or inherit input formatter. The latter is usually the better approach, and that's what I use to create raw request body formatter. Okay, raw request body formatter supports media types. Okay, that is weird. Supported media types dot add new media type header value application octets stream. What is my header here? Do request is just like a string. Identity application, yeah, sure. That's cookies. I wanted headers. Content type. Oh, that's a response header. Accept application JSON, content type application JSON. No. No, that's not how it's supposed to work. Okay. Authorize. Accept an action support. Content type. ASP.NET Core content type. Media type names. Media type names. Okay. Oh god, I hate this. Response data in ASP.NET Core format specific action results. To the item store. Okay, sure. Get version. Negotiation. Okay. The accept header. Content negotiation takes place when the accept header appears in the request. And the request contains an accept header, blah 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 blah. No formatter. Formatter is configured. What's okay. Configure format. Add XML. Format. JSON. Options. Okay. Handle JSON patch requests. Action return types. Overview, tutorials, analyze custom formatters. Input formatters are used by model binding. Output formatters are used by format responses. Model binding in ASP.NET Core. And build docs only. Okay. Target bind property. From query name equals node. From header accept language. From body. From query. Okay. I think I don't like that. ASP.NET Core runtime delegates the responsibility into import formatter, which is here. When to use a custom formatter. Support for content type isn't handled by the built-in formatters. For serializing data sent to the client, create an output formatter class. For deserializing data received from the client, create an input formatter class. add instances of formatter classes to input formatters and output formatters in the MVC options. Okay. I would like an example for the vcard input formatter, text input formatter. Text vcard, okay. Encoding, I don't have encoding because this is an octet stream, but it's not sending an octet stream. I am, I do not like this. Custom formatters. When to use create a custom formatter, configure MVC to use a custom formatter. Because the issue is, I need to figure out how I can make this guy, my error, but she sends it fries. Okay, cookie, sure. Host, priority referrer, source. Accept application octet stream. What? For a 4 not found. Okay. Accept content type application JSON. I mean, there has to be something for just ASP net core octet stream. To the net core header. Client factory.create. Oh my god. No. Absolutely not. That is not what I wanted. Jesus. How to stream with ASP.NET Core. File stream result. That's the wrong direction. Again. Request and response operations. Oh, that's not what I wanted. I want to open it in the new. Do not download file on ASP.NET Core API. File upload and stream with minimal API. That's not, no. Okay, I guess I'll have a new window then. ASP.NET Hacker. It seems the minimal API that got introduced in .NET Core 6.0 will now be finished in 7.0. One feature that is heavily missed in 6.0 was the file upload, as well as the possibility to read and request body as a stream. Let's have a look how this would look alike. It's great for beginners, so to create blah blah blah. Oh my god, what is that? This is an affront to humanity. I love it, but it's stream. If I take a stream, it probably will understand it. If I don't take a byte array, maybe it'll understand it. I don't know yet. I'll figure it out. So stop. Stream. Maybe it'll understand it. Stream. Okay, let's rebuild. It's compiling. It's yelling at me. Hey, I don't understand. File content. Right. You want a byte array. I'm so stupid. I just spent forever. Probably this is the fucking solution. Item using var mem file content mem stream. Let's write it out. Memory stream equals new memory stream. I want it disposed before I commit this to thingamajig. So, and I'll say file content memory stream. No. File content dot copy to file content memory stream. I know there's an async version. I'll be right with you. File content memory stream dot to array, and I'll say async, and I'll say await, and I'll say save, and I will say build. Didn't I just say Control B? Identify expected. Okay, I probably just didn't finish writing my thought out. Okay. So you just run nswag, nswag to JSON, and it probably appears somewhere. I can just run it and check out the swagger. I don't want it in here. Where am I? There I am. I don't think I need any of that. I'll refresh this. I'll say, hey, cover image. Request body required. Example for octet stream. Yes, that is what I wanted. Application octet stream. Good. That's exactly what I needed. I'm happy. We happy now. We very happy now. Okay. Now, I probably have to recompile this. Oh my god, I have so many windows open. My upload item dialog probably is like yelling at me. Hey, what the f is wrong with you? But of course, we just need to get a stream, not awaited. Stream dot, and then we have to blob it. New blob with a stream should in theory work. No, blob parts. Blob. I remember doing this at some point. Yeah, JS stream to blob. Getting a blob from the stream. That is horrifying. What the hell? Stream dot. Oh my god. Obviously that won't do anything nice. T. Readable stream. Readable stream. Oh, it is probably like pipe to, writable stream, pipe through, readable stream, get reader, logs. The pipe log stream. Oh my god, that looks horrifying. That is Node.js. Obviously that won't work. Okay, so we get a response stream. But oh my god, we don't have that on the right screen. It's kind of uninteresting when you can't see it. Why didn't anyone tell me? Also note reading the stream. Consume it as a blob, creating. Then we can create a new response out of it. Okay. Const get reader. Return new readable stream. Start controller. Return pump. Function pump. That. New response. Response.blob. What the hell is that? Is that the only way to get a blob? Stream. New response to stream. Okay, that sounds like actually painful. Maybe new blob array buffer, and we have to await it, obviously. Await. I don't like that. Argument. Array buffer undersigned is not. Oh. Log part array? Length, push, concat. Okay. Oh my god. What else can we do here? This string tag. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so not used to doing this anymore. Okay, we have a readable stream. Closing and canceling stream. What do we have? We have a file, which is a file list, which is a file, which is extends blob. Okay. That solves that, because it's like undefined is not a sign of a blob. Okay. If not file data, return. I need a thingamajig here, and I need to return here. I need a toast. Show error toast. I have like a specific thing for that. Like I have dispatch toast, use toast controller. I need that. Use toast controller. And dispatch toast, I use down here, show error toast. So, because dispatching toast is unbelievably annoying, so we'll say show error toast. The uploaded file, the file upload failed. Please try again. So now we need to cycle through our 1000 Firefox windows again. I'm gonna refresh this, and I'm gonna see whether this just works. I'll submit. 415. Unsupported media type. Well, you go annoy someone else. Content type, application, octet stream. Content type. What do you mean, unsupported media type? What? Why is it an unsupported media type? It's supposed to not be an unsupported media type. I don't like it being an unsupported media type. That's like really rude. Also, these are all empty requests. That's weird. That feels weird. If input field current files. Let's just try reloading this and be like, hey, please try this again. submit. Okay. Or not that. I have to learn to write code. This is embarrassing. Why did I think streaming it would be a fun idea? So, console log file data. Okay. Browse xlip.png. Console. Yeah, we've got 44 not found. File name that. Size 39,315. Type image PNG. Get relative path, I don't care. Last modified, whatever. But it should inherit from blob, and it should like have a supported medium type. Cookies. No request. No payload for this request. That confuses me. That confuses me greatly. Right. We have the file data. File data is a file. A file extends a blob, has a last modified name and a WebKit relative path. I don't care about these. Is available in web workers. The file interface provides information about files and allows JavaScript in a web page to access the contents. File objects are generally retrieved from a file list object returned as a result of you selecting an input element or a drag and drop data transfer object. The file object is a specific kind of blob and can be used in any context that a blob can. File reader URL, create object URL, create image bitmap, the body option to fetch, and XML HTTP request send, accept both blobs and files. I mean, obviously it extends blob. That's how inheritance works. That's just like basics. But I'm confused by why we have we've got a blob and it's just not transmitting anything. What does update item cover image want? It wants a blob file content. It says content equals file content. Body equals content underscore. That's like, yeah. You're sending an octet stream. Try it out. ID. I don't know. 13. I want that. I'll say execute. And it says unsupported media type. There's no payload for this request either. But you're posting. Request priority, strict origin when blah blah blah. HTTP version, DNS resolution system. Why is my API not accepting the... Like, I'd expect you to... Maybe I do have to use the from body. Does that work? Okay, let's update cover image. Application octet stream 13. Let's select a random file. It still says 4:15. I need a break. Be right back. So, back from the dead with some good coffee. Big question. You hear me? Yeah, you should hear me. OBS says you hear me. Fuck, this is hot. Data binary. Let's just see what curl does. I suspect curl will do the exact same thing. Data open file. Okay. Add doop desktop slash. I guess I'll say like desktop slash xlp a self-certificate, self-signed certificate. Yeah, yikes, I guess. Let's hope this also empty reply from server. I don't like this. This is frustrating. How do you upload a file from JavaScript to .NET? Why did I put on my headphones? I don't need my headphones. To put them away, it's just automatic that I put them on. How do I upload a file from JavaScript to .NET? Okay, click me, file, upload file, files. Okay, sure, I guess. Upload files. It uploads the file with Ajax. Okay. iPhone files. I don't like that. Um, that looks like awful. That just no. With iPhone file. No. Upload files in ASP.NET Core. I know I can be denial of service. I don't care. It's like a little hobby project I have running on my little server that is probably not equipped to live for 3 minutes. Let's, yeah. iPhone file. I don't like that. It's moved from, okay. Streaming. The file received from a multi-part request is and directly processed or saved by the app. Streaming doesn't improve performance significantly. Streaming reduces the demand for memory or disk space when uploading files. Yes, performance is not changed, but memory is reduced. Upload files with streaming section. So result generate anti-forgery token cookie attribute. You want me to actually like make this save? What the hell? You're funny. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the hell? Oh no. Okay. Uh Hi cat. You're really in the way, you know. Like I can't work like this. Thank you. I hate this. I hate everything about this. So this uses Ajax, which no, how to upload files with .NET Core API and Angular. Maybe this will get me somewhere. .NET Core part. Upload. You're actually just request forms file. Maybe this is what I have to do. Maybe I have to actually... I hate this. There has to be a better way. Why is it not accepting my octet stream? It's an octet stream. How complicated can it be to pass an octet stream? It's just like literally bytes pounding at you. I have the file, it's being loaded into memory. I'm pounding it at the server, and I should just stream it. Well, it should load it to memory actually. And just boop, and put it in the database. It's not that complicated. Is it? Can't be that complicated. This is like, what? I'm just... That's just the Angular part. That's great. I'm so proud of you guys. You made very, 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 very pretty Angular code, you know. Dev.2. everyone does it the same. It's probably just gonna be like the same thing again. File details. ID, file name, file data, file type, file upload model, form file, file details, file type, right, PDF documents. Thank you. That is so stupid. Okay, so there's some bullshittery going on here that I really, really do not like. MVC with JavaScript and C#. MVC controller, string ID. Well, you're just like reading requested files. Maybe I should read requested files. Maybe this is the way to do it. Maybe it's not this. Maybe it's actually just like request.files. Oh wait, there is no request.files. Why am I not surprised? It's not an MVC controller. It is an API controller. It's a controller base. This is getting even worse. Request dot. Oh my god! What the fuck just happened? Form dot files dot 0 dot copy to async copy to file content memory stream. Oh. I don't like that. It's like not pretty at all. It's like awful. It's actually awful. That's not what I wanted. Wait. It's like actually awful. This is like, I think I said that like 20 times by now, but it's actually awful. I actually dislike it. Oh my god, the sun is shining. I need to do something really quick. Okay, I can't reach it from here. I'm gonna do it on my phone. I'm not gonna do it on my phone because if I do that, I wanted to raise the blinds, but then I'm gonna be shined at by the sun, and that is annoying. This is not gonna work. Not straight off the bat. Because when I generate this, you know what I can do? No, I can't do that. Body will read body. Specifies whether the parameter class reads the body. Will read body. True. Class or parameter. Okay. This is not what I intend to do. No. Maybe there's like an attribute for nswag. Body will read body, OpenAPI body parameter. Specifies that the operation consumes the post body. Hey, that sounds right. Okay, HTTP post. Let's rebuild it and just like look at Swagger. Okay, sure. Let's close that Swagger. Okay. So what does it tell me? It expects an application JSON. That's just straight up wrong. But hey, at least it notices that it consumes the body. So, no parameters, MIME types. Yes. Application octet stream. I think that application octet stream. Application output stream. Yeah. Okay. Then we'll say, hey, you like things and stuff. I still need to send it something. Like if I compile this now, if I stop this, I'll compile this. It's gonna be like, hey, what the fudge? You're giving me 2 body. Oh. Well, yeah, okay. That's fine. That's fine then. Let form data equal f dot current target and so the form event dot form event dot timestamp. How do I get the form data? Yes, get form data from submit event. Okay, listen to the form submit event in JavaScript. I don't need that form data event. After the entry list represents the form's data is constructed. This happens with the server form data constructed. This event is not countable and does not bubble. So entry list and submit. Form lm query selector form data. Okay, that sounds interesting. Form the event on submit on form data. What do you want? You want a form event. It's not assignable to form detailed HTML props. Form HTML attributes. HTML form element. HTML form element. What? On form data. Explicitly has any type. Cool, thank you. So on form data just straight up doesn't exist. Okay, unsubmit. This is painful. This is getting even more painful. Form lm, unform data. Okay. Form unformed data. This event handle on submit E. Now, what is E? E implicitly has any type. Type that. It's not assignable to type that. On-form data does not exist on type that. Oh, I'm just stupid. I'm just so stupid. I don't like that. We could try making a ref here. Ref equals form ref, and just see what it gives us. Form ref is HTML form element, and just like go in here and check out form ref dot current dot. Now we've got an ID, target, action, name, accept cast set, autocomplete element, collection controls, collection, interesting, red list, report validity, request submit, reset, access key, click, dear, draggable, hidden, hide, popover, inert, inner text, lang, offset hide. Is there maybe like a data thing? On-form data, unloaded metadata. Okay, no, this is not what we need. Okay. Current dot. We need a this is turning so complicated. Well, maybe I just need to take a step back. Maybe I will do that. Well, like, say no to unsubmit. Just have our action black hole. And check out what we get here. Well, I have to start it as well. Refresh. Okay. So I want to see what you put in the form data. Network, there was the black hole request, and the black hole request is empty. Excel plus ip.png. Right. We did this already. I forgot. What if we say method GML form methods? There are definition nodes on get, nodes on post. Get or post. It's that simple. Okay. Black hole, it just gives the Excel image. And it's just like a form data thing. So, wir brauchen, sorry. We need We need that. We need our item controller. Because how the hell do you pass the files? Well, this is a form file collection. And from the iForm file collection, it's an I-read-only list of iForm file. And iForm file, I would like to for this. We will get something interesting from iForm file. We have a content type, content disposition, headers, length, name, file name, open read stream, copy to and copy to async. Gets the raw content type header of the uploaded file. Okay. Gets the raw content disposition header of the uploaded file. Okay. Gets the header dictionary of the uploaded file. Okay. Gets the file length in bytes. Okay. Gets the form field name from the content disposition header. Okay. Gets the file name from the content disposition header. Okay. Opens the request stream for reading the uploaded file. Okay. So I think what I'm doing right now should be fine. So we'll go back in here. I mean, it's gonna yell at me because I don't have anything interesting. Hope program is going well today. It is, thank you. Is the code open source? It is. Let me just try and find it in the 25 million windows. Here it is. It's called Online Media Shelf, and it's a little program I'm writing that has turned into a giant program with no unit tests, which is always great to see. We love giant programs with no unit tests. Online Media Shelf, it's a great piece of software. It has a giant README that I partly generated with ChatGPT, and it has a few issues if someone is interested in fixing things, because I'm clearly not competent enough to do this. Right. I hope that was all chat did. Yes. Where were we? Right. Not set as age. Rider. I should on submit. Equals on submit. And on submit has to be uncommented. What the hell? No. If not, file data. Okay, I'm gonna just Control C like the past 15 minutes of my life. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, and a few times more. Control Z till you can't anymore. File data, input field. Okay, there we go. That looks like it's correct there. It looks like it's less incorrect, at least. Let's restart this. I don't know why I restarted it. So how many Firefox windows do I have? Oh my god. Which one is the right one? That one's the right one. Okay, let's just try uploading. Oh, wait, yeah, right. Oh, we get a 500. That's good. That means that my code is broken. Error code with saving changes. Try again later. That is not very informative. Thank you. Oh my god, really? That's it? I hate debugging. Do you know the feeling when you're like, I'm gonna debug something, and then you have to actually debug it, and you can't just say, it's fine. I'm gonna update the description while this loads to include the GitHub repository. Save. So, okay. We're gonna say browse xlip.png, submit, and we suddenly get thrown into Rider. That was already correct. Okay. Wait. Oh, It was already thrown. That's amazing. Cookies 1, form null. Okay. Content length 39,315. Okay. iPhone collection is null. Hello. I can't read that. Radidev. The screen's too far away for me to read it, so I'm sorry. I should probably just like pull it closer a little bit. There's so much trash on my table. Yeah. Oh, welcome. What do I just want to do? I wanted to read the response body. Request dot body dot copy to async file content memory stream. Let's rerun and just hope that magically works. It's gonna just magically work. Of course it's gonna just magically work. And it reloaded. I hate that it thinks it has to reload just because my server reboot started. Grr. Anyways, submit. And we're gonna press F10. We've got a file content memory stream. We're gonna just like file content memory stream dot to array. I know I'm gonna read it twice, but this is just debugging. Okay, this is like long enough. If this just works, oh my god, where am I? Where is my rider gone? Did rider just crash? Did I just alt F4 rider? I think I just killed rider. Somehow. However the fuck I managed that. Okay, anyways. Okay. That looked about right. So I'm happy. I'm just gonna start on the media shop again. Wait until it finishes updating. And oh my god, how long have I been streaming? Dear Lord, it took me 2 hours to do this. 2 hours of pain and suffering. Why are you not starting this? Come on, compile. I know you can do it. You're very good at compiling. That's literally one of the only jobs you have. The most important job, one may say. Doop. So we're gonna upload xlip.png. We're gonna press submit. It gave me a 200. Oh my god! Yes! You can now upload. Fuck yeah! I'm gonna get some water, be right back. Alright. Water has been acquired. You can now upload cover images. You know what that means. That means if we go into one of our 20... Okay, I'm gonna go through them all. I don't need that anymore. Need that anymore. Don't need that anymore. I do need that. I do need that. I do need that. I do need that. Okay. So, if we look at our issues... really, I'm not good at English either. I think. I don't know actually. But I really don't have time. I'm sorry. I go to uni and I have a part-time job. So I don't really have time to guide someone. This is like a rare occurrence that I actually stream because I barely have any time. Also, it's Sunday, so it's like... Yeah, I'm sorry. Where was I? Yeah, right. Make fields, no, edit items, yes. Hide barcodes on small devices, no. Should be in EN, okay. Find pagination. Cover image for shelf, no. Expand items and item page. What does expand items want? Cover image of a producer. Add release date format. Okay. That can be closed. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to that is a large. Why are you there? Micro dot get ignore. Star dot user dot slin dot settings dot user slin dot setting dot user. Okay. Copy. We don't want that. I think that should be fine. Smiley. Yeah. Smiley indeed. Item control bun lock B. What? Did we do a bun upgrade? You know what? I should probably do a bun upgrade. Did he stop the online media shelf dot web slash client app. Bun update. Bun upgrade. No. Bun update. Bun install. Fine. Okay. S git push dash no, actually git commit dash am. Finish file upload for cover image. Now git push. Cool. I think we're at this took an hour longer than I wanted it to. I wanted to do like an hour stream. Apparently it took like 2 hours 12 minutes. Hopefully this will be the last stream I ever do because this was exhausting. Well, we'll see each other again. Same bad time, same bad channel. Bye. Jesus.